Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Claude projects. This is going to be a quick and straightforward tutorial because the feature is actually incredible single use. Right here, we have the main Claude dashboard, and if you look over at the left sidebar, you'll find your chats and other accounts options. All we need to do is click on the Projects tab. This will open up your dedicated projects workspace. Think of this feature as a way to categorize and separate your chats. Instead of having everything in a massive feed, you can isolate conversation based on specific topics or niches. For example, I can keep one project strictly dedicated to how I use AI for content creation, and then create a brand new one right here for work. Inside the setup menu, you can name your project and add a brief description outlining these specific goals. For now, let's just leave it blank and hit create. Now your project is ready to go. On the top of the standard interface, you also have dedicated sections on the right for instructions and files. Here you can upload key documents or custom guardrails so the AI always use them as a direct reference for every prompt. Like I mentioned, this is just a much more organized way to manage your workflow. Instead of cluttering your sidebar by constantly opening and running new chats where everything gets buried in your history, you can keep your assets separated. If we jump back into the tutorial project, even if we have dozens or different chat threads in there, they will all be safely organized under that single umbrella. If you're switching between your job and personal side hustles, you don't have to scroll through a messy history feed trying to remember which chat was which. You just go straight to the project. It's an essential feature if you want to keep your workspace clean, start organized, and get the absolute most out of your day-to-day workflow with Claude.